In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix a PS5 controller that just isn't charging. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, it's super annoying when your PS5 controller is low or even dead and it just won't charge. So let's go through all the fixes step by step. The first thing that I would do is just switch the USB-C cable. Even if the cable does look fine, it could be faulty. Try a different USB-C cable. Try plugging the controller into a wall charger. Even try using a portable power bank or plugging it into a PC instead of the PS5. This will help you rule out whether the issue is the cable or the PS5 USB port. Now from here, what you're going to want to do is check the charging port on your controller. If there is dirt, dust, or any kind of debris inside, the controller won't charge properly. So gently shake that controller and blow lightly into the port. Just do not push anything sharp inside. Even a small amount of dust can stop it from charging, and you don't want to push that dust farther in. Now, if a controller just so happened to be exposed to water or moisture, it may also temporarily stop charging for safety reasons. If this does happen, do not wipe inside the port. Just let the controller air dry completely and shake out any moisture and leave it unplugged for a decent amount of time. Whenever it is fully dry, try charging it again and it should charge up. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.